Today we're gonna make a quick and easy avocado toast. Let's open up our avocado. Let's remove the pit. Then we can pre-slice it in the avocado. Scoop up the avocado. Now take your fork and we're just gonna mash it up just a little bit, but we still wanna keep a few chunks in there. Here we have a loaf of country bread. We're gonna cut it, and then I want two big nice pieces. Cut on one side here. Now butter your bread. You know, don't be stingy. Butter both sides of your bread. Be generous with the butter. Now put it on the pan to medium-low heat. So let's take some garlic and rub it on your toast. Let's put on the avocado. Let's put a little bit of paprika. And let's finish it off with a little bit of fleur de sel. And there you have it. We just made some quick and easy avocado toast. And let's not forget, delicious. If you enjoyed this simple avocado recipe, please subscribe to my channel and check out these other great videos.